It looks like Taco Tuesday may be free for anyone to use. So in a prior video, I discussed about how Taco John's for a number of years now has owned the term Taco Tuesday. However, they did not do the best job of policing it, that it has basically become a weak trademark, has become very descriptive. And in the prior video, I said that I felt they would most likely lose the case that Taco Bell was bringing against them to cancel their trademark. So this way they can't use it against anyone else. That being said, it probably was such a weak trademark that they wouldn't have been able really to do much with it because of how many other users there are of the term Taco Tuesday out there. And it just, the other day I saw that Taco John's restaurant chain, they're agreeing to surrender their right to the trademark rather than fighting it out because they know most likely that they are going to lose. But what they're doing, which I applaud them for, a bit of a publicity stunt, but just a good idea is they decided instead of spending all the money on paying the legal fees, we always pride ourselves on being the home of Taco Tuesday, but paying millions of dollars to lawyers to defend our mark just doesn't feel like the right thing to do, their CEO said. So instead, they'll be giving $100 in the name of each of its 400 locations to the Children of Restaurant Employees charity. And they challenged Taco Bell to do the same thing, which Taco Bell has 7,200 stores. So that would be $720,000 to this charity. So good for them. I think the money that they're going to spend is probably a lot less than they would have to fight it out because most likely they would have lost given how many other users there are of Taco Tuesday, given the fact that from the beginning it was a weaker trademark because it is descriptive. Although that doesn't mean that you can't have protection, but you have to police your trademark. This is one of the main things we tell clients is that the Patent and Trademark Office, no one is going to police your trademark for you. So that's your job. Just because you got the registration doesn't mean it's yours, it's done, no one can ever challenge it. If you see others using it, you have to start sending cease and desist letters. You need to, get into agreements to limit their rights, to limit their use, so that this way you can keep expanding the strength or keep the strength of your trademark valid. If you have any questions related to trademarks, we're here. If you like these videos, please click subscribe below and also give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.